In today's video, I am going to teach you how to turn off work offline mode in Microsoft Outlook. If your emails aren't sending, new messages aren't arriving, and you see working offline at the bottom of the window, Outlook is likely in offline mode. This feature is helpful when you want to read or organize mail without an internet connection. But when you are ready to sync again, you need to turn it off. The exact steps depend on whether you are using Classic Outlook for Windows or the new Outlook for Windows. Let's start with Classic Outlook. Look along the top at the ribbon of tabs. Click the Send Fax Receive tab. In this section, you'll see a button labeled Work Offline. When Outlook is offline, that button typically looks pressed or highlighted. Click it once to toggle offline mode off and reconnect. After you click, give Outlook a moment to re-establish the connection. Watch the status bar at the bottom. It should change from working offline to connected, and any messages waiting in your outbox will begin sending. You can continue working while Outlook Syncs folders will refresh, and your inbox should start updating as the connection stabilizes. If you are using the new Outlook for Windows, the control is in Settings. Click the gear icon in the upper right corner to open Settings. In the panel that appears, choose General, then select Offline. You'll see a switch labeled Enable Offline Email, Calendar, and People. Toggle that switch off. This turns off offline mode so Outlook can connect and start syncing your mail, calendar, and contacts again. Close Settings and keep an eye on your folders as new messages and updates roll in. Depending on how long you were offline, the initial sync might take a bit, but it will catch up in the background. Not sure which version you have? Classic Outlook has the traditional ribbon with tabs like File, Home, and Send Fax Receive. The new Outlook has a cleaner, more modern look with the gear icon front and center for quick settings. Regardless of the version, the idea is the same: disable the offline settings so Outlook can reconnect. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.